Hello plant lovers, today we're doing some reporting on succulents, and these beauties right here are the ones getting a fresh start. You can see they're currently sitting in a red soil, which honestly hasn't been doing them any favors. We are upgrading them to something much better using Hopawi compost mixture, great drainage, rich in nutrient, and just a much healthier home for succulents. Alright, let's get into it. First thing, gently use a sharp object to cut loose the soil or around the planter. You don't want to pull the plant out, you might damage or kill the plant. After cutting loose, just wiggle it loosely and let the gravity do the work. Add a base layer first, then place the plant in, fill or around the side with the new Hopawi compost. You want the roots to sit naturally, don't force them. Just nest in, press gently around the base and make sure it's sitting upright and stable. Red soil tends to compact and hold too much moisture, which succulent don't really like. Root rot is the #1 killer to all the plants. Watch as I swap red soil to Hopawi compost mixture.